Money will no longer be an issue when you do this thing. So a lot of people want more money in their life and they don't realize they're actually subconsciously blocking the money from coming into their life. That's because psychologists tell us 95% of our life is subconscious. Your thoughts, your actions, your behaviors, the money that does or does not come into your life, what you do with money when it comes into your life, it's all a subconscious program. And the word sub means below. So it's kind of scary. Below conscious. That's what the word subconscious means. And the reason it's scary is because psychologists tell us the subconscious was programmed, especially in childhood. So you are operating on subconscious money principles that were programmed into you by other people. You don't even know it's happening, and it's stopping you from bringing more money into your life. So do this to bring more money into your life. My name is Jake Ducey. Make sure you hit the like button right over there. Today's a great day to be alive, and let's dive right into this video. So when I was 19, dropped out of college, and I went backpacking around the world, and I decided I didn't want to go be a business person and get my business degree, which is kind of just what you're told to do in America as a young man. And I realized I didn't want to do that. And I basically kind of became almost like a minimalist, extreme hippie type of person. And I had belief systems like money's not that important, and I would say things like, at least I'm happy. And I was under this really deep belief system that money would actually cause more problems in my life. Maybe you heard that Biggie Smalls song, "Mo money, mo problems." And the fact is, it's simply not true. But I had never thought about it rationally. The fact remains, there were a lot more hiccups and less freedom in my life by not having money. I wasn't able to fly where I wanted to fly. I wasn't able to go where I wanted to go, live where I want to live, buy the things that I wanted to buy, eat the type of food that I wanted to eat, have the conveniences that I needed. It eliminated stress because it allowed my wife to not have to work anymore. It did so many things. See, but the problem is we think that we just want money. We don't want money. We want the things that money will give us or the things that money will buy. But we don't think about this, so most people just say, money's not that important, at least I'm happy, or they honestly believe that if they get it, it's somehow going to cause more problems. Like maybe God won't love them anymore, they're going to go to hell, they'll be greedy, or maybe they just think, well, I don't know what I'm going to do with it all, and I might lose it, and it's stressful. And we have this association with money as problems. See, the thing about your brain that's so cool is that your brain, through freaking thousands of years, has basically all it's done is protect and preserve. It's just been trying to protect and preserve our ancestors. And it was very important because you had to run from giant things that could eat you, you had to hide from the elements. So this aspect of protecting us from the things that we fear was very valuable. Today, it's in a lot of ways not valuable at all because you're sending the subconscious message that money is bad or money will cause harm or money is somehow going to is something to be afraid of. Now, because the subconscious controls your whole life, your subconscious has actually been programmed, unbeknownst to you, to actually keep money away from you. See, your subconscious wants to protect you from scary things, bad things, things that could make you go to hell, things that can make God not love you, things that might cause more stress and more strain in your life, things that you say aren't very important. So your subconscious is keeping it away from you, making just the bare minimum available to you because it's subconsciously programmed like this. It is subconsciously programmed to block it. Just like if you set up a subconscious program to drive to New York City and you set that up, and I call it a subconscious program, but really what I'm referring to is your GPS system in your car. It behaves just like a subconscious program. You set it, and no matter any turns you make, it's always going to redirect to the way it's been programmed or installed. Similarly, your programs in your subconscious have been installed to not have the money that you want. Now, think about this. Money is actually just energy, and it's really God energy. It's really a divine energy that allows you to experience more of creation. If you think about it rationally like that. Like, who needs 100 Rolls Royces and just silly things like that. But you think about it, maybe you really like a certain car or two certain cars. Freak, you should be able to have them. Maybe you've always wanted to travel around the world, right? All money is an energy system that allows you to experience the universe, that allows you to experience this beautiful creation that is life. It allows you to be able to give. It allows you really to be more of what you already were. If you love to travel, if you love to give money away, if you love to build wells in Mexico or Africa, or you love to help kids in the inner city in America, you'll be able to do whatever it is that you want with money. So really, money is good. So realize that you will actually make the world a better place by becoming someone who is wealthy. And wealth is different to every single person. But when you grasp that it's actually just God energy, it's not this evil thing. I actually believe that long ago, the ruling elites of society sent these messages through institutions and religions that money was bad because it was a way for them to make us servants. It was actually a way to control people, and was to make them think God wouldn't love them, or it was going to be bad or evil or something. And so it became a really easy way to control people. Because if 1% or 1/100th of 1% of the population control 99% of the people, they're not going to be able to do it through force because they're sheerly outnumbered. They have to do it psychologically. And they've set this way up for us to believe all these silly ideas. And then they've been passed down through generations, and our grandma said it, and our great-grandma said it, and our mom said it, and our dad said it, and our aunt said it, and the news said it, and the institution said it. And it's just not true. You will make the world a better place. And so if you don't believe this, then you never make a decision to have money, because you're always making a decision whether to have it or not have it. And when you say money is bad, or you say money is evil, you've made the decision not to have it. You are not going to take the appropriate action steps to bring money into your life if you believe money is bad or evil, or it's not very important, or it's going to cause more problems. Why would you not take the necessary action steps? Because it's bad, evil, wrong, right? So whatever way your subconscious is set up, that's what ultimately creates all the actions, all the personality and behavior traits that you have that build your life with respect to money. So if you can start saying, money is good, it comes to me when I call. If you could start saying, money is good, it allows me to do more good in the world. If you start saying things like, it is my birthright to be rich, what happens is you slowly but surely start to change the subconscious program. And when you change the subconscious association or the subconscious relationship with something, that in turn changes your decisions, your behaviors, your habits, your actions, your ways of thinking, and as a result, the things that you attract or bring back into your life. You start doing the work. You start making the phone call. You decide that you're going to have money in your life. And when you make a clear and firm decision that it will be something that is in your life, that you're no longer going to say things like it's not that important. You start saying things like, I want to be rich and happy. You start saying things like, wealth is my birthright. You start saying things like, money is good and it comes to me when I call. And what happens is your whole life changes. So what I'm inviting you to do is comment down below. Money is good. It comes when I call. It's my birthright to be rich. Comment that down below. Money is good. It comes when I call. It's my birthright to be rich. Say it again. Money is good. It comes when I call. It's my birthright to be rich. Whatever it is that you're working on, whether it's a business or in a job, or you have certain ideas and lifestyles and visions for yourself, get it in your mind right now that you will attract money. Get it in your mind that it's good, it's right, it's noble for you to have it. Get it in your mind that it's actually going to solve more problems than it's going to create. Because people say like, well, more money, more problems. No, actually, my life's become a lot easier since I have it. I can pay for good health insurance for my wife and I. I have able to have death insurance if I die. My wife has money. I'm able to have the car that I want, pay for the gas I want without worrying, buy the things that I want from the store, pay for my lights and all these things like that. I'm able to pay my rent without worrying every single month. It's done a lot more. It's solved more problems than it's brought into my life. And it's a very, very valuable tool in the arena of which it's used. So say to yourself, it is my birthright to be rich. Say to yourself, I'm going to feel good about receiving money now. Because if you don't feel good, if you have all those crappy belief systems, all of a sudden you perform a service and someone says, what do I owe you? You go, it's normally this, but today it's 95% off just for my friend, just for you. Money's not that important. And then you're afraid to receive it. Let's get that out of your head. Say, I am good at receiving money. I am good at receiving money. Comment that down below. I'm good at receiving money. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com reminding you it is your birthright to be rich. You can have an abundant life. There is no point in hoarding money for the sake of hoarding money. We want the things that money can buy, and we are worthy of the things that money can buy. The house you want, the car you want, the life you want, donating to the charities you want. You deserve and you're worthy of it. You're actually worthy of it, and money is just a medium in our society that allows you to experience. You are worthy of what you want. So make sure you hit the like button right over there to send this out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. If you hit the like button, that is your way to share this message out with more people. So make sure you hit the like button right over there. And right there down below is my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. When I learned all this about the subconscious mind, I realized, okay, this starts to make a lot of sense. I worked super hard. I wasn't getting all the results that I wanted, but I had all these silly limiting belief systems. And I didn't realize I had them and that they were stopping me. Even though I worked hard and did all these things, I was afraid and unwilling to receive money. I always got weirded out by it. I vilified it. So I created a success hypnosis, like a very specific one, to retrain my subconscious mind, and it changed my life forever. And now over 700,000 people from all over the world have used it. Every day I get these amazing, miraculous stories of people attracting their dream home, or them getting that new client out of nowhere, that promotion. And it's because when you reprogram your subconscious, things shift in your life. It's free. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's pinned to the comments. It's right there down below. So go ahead and use that. All you got to do is just use it for like 5 minutes every day. And what's going to happen is you're going to start seeing and thinking and feeling different. You're going to see the results shift in your life. So use it right there down below to hypnotize yourself for success and financial abundance. jakeshypnosis.com. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, you can make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you've been back, you can double check if you hit the bell notification. Hey, today's a great day to be alive on this little tiny rock spinning through endless space. You are worthy of what you want. You live in a friendly universe. And guess what? Your life's about to change.